I'm just hiking into this little backcountry lake here. I've got a portable kayak on my back. It's a folding kayak with my gear, and I'm using this because there's no way to launch a boat here without hauling it, a regular boat, but it's a nice little lake. Once I get to the shoreline, I'm going to assemble the kayak, and then I'm going to paddle the whole lake.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find there's more than one way home.
Going through marshy narrows now to get to the other arm of the lake. Sometimes this is blocked off in low water, but I think I'll be fine to get through today.
I know you're tired of this path. 1 up and 3 below. When you're chasing after what matters, your heart knows where to go. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find